Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I want to open this case of Johnny Lightnings. It's Street Freaks from 2020. It's release 1 and case A. And I want to do this unboxing with you. It's still a closed case. So let's open it up and see what's inside. I just got them last week, case A and case B. I will do case B in another video. But first have a look at this one. Here you can see the models, still packed with paper. And maybe there is a chase inside, you never know. So have a look at the first one. Oh, that's one of the better ones of this case. It's from the Demolition Derby series. And let's have a look at the back of the packaging. There's the number. There's some other series. I think I already have these. Yes, I have. And more info. And this is the Chevy Tahoe from 1997. And this is a very nice one. I do like this one very much. Crazy colors. Some little facts. You can freeze that if you like. Great piece. And these have metal base. And if I'm not mistaken, rubber tires. Okay, next one. And that's Ford Gran Torino Sport from 1972. And these are limited to 2000, so not too many. Some facts. It's just in plain black. Great car, this one. I do like the Gran Torino. It's a very nice muscle car. From the Blacked Out series. Okay. And the metal base. And let's have a look. Rubber tires. Next one. And this is a Zinger. The F-bot rod. And it's a Chevy Camaro from 1969. Crazy colors. You must like these colors. They're quite crazy. There's the back. Tail lights. No hood. Just a blown engine. Let's look at the packaging. The back is all the same. Also 2000 pieces. Same as... and this one also is 2000 pieces. So they're quite limited. That makes it more interesting. Next one. It's the AMC Rambler Wagon Custom from 1960. Also 2000 pieces. And this is the color. And some facts, if you want to read them, you can freeze it and read it later on. Nice rims on this one. I think this is a nice addition with the purple flames. Let's have a look at the back. Front of the car. Bottom of the car. Black with Flame series. Okay, next one. And there you have the Pontiac GTO 1964, 2000 pieces. And this is the Spoiler series. And the Spoiler series usually don't have, well, this one has a hood, but has an engine through the hood of the cover. There's the back of the car. Top. Front of the car. And just have a look. I'm not sure about these tires, but I think they are rubber tires. I can't see it very well. Last one. And here is the last one. And that's a very nice one. It's a Ford F1 pickup from 1950. And these are limited to 2,480. So a little bit more than all the other ones. It's a very nice rusty version. My favorite series, project in progress. And I do like this one very much. Nice rust everywhere. Back of the car. Front. And I'm quite sure this one has rubber tires. Metal base. Great piece. So this is the first box. I will open up the second one in the next video. Thanks for watching and see you later. Bye.